Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the langTube app in 1 minute. Once you've installed it, you're ready to learn a language by watching YouTube videos. This app has 3 main features. First, the dual subtitle YouTube player. You can see your native language and the new language on the same timeline. If you can't catch a phrase, you can fast forward or rewind. The repeat function allows you to play the same phrase multiple times. This is very useful for shadowing practice or practicing difficult phrases in karaoke. When you switch to widescreen mode, you can display multiple subtitles on a widescreen. Second, AI-generated summaries and flashcards. You can use AI tools on the player screen. By pressing this AI button, the AI will automatically extract difficult words from the video and save them as flashcards. Additionally, it will create a summary of the video, making it easy to understand the overall content. Third, the quick dictionary. The player comes with a fast word dictionary. When you click on a word you don't understand, its meaning and example sentences will be displayed, and you can save it directly to your flashcards. This feature can also be used in widescreen mode. Next, let's talk about the settings for this app. You can handle various settings on the settings screen. You can change the study language and native language on the settings screen. The number of times you can use the AI tool varies between free and premium members. You can check the current usage count and the daily usage limit. I'd like to talk about the flashcard settings. This option lets you choose whether to redisplay completed cards. This setting allows you to flip the front and back of the cards. Well, we've finished the first tutorial. Thank you for watching until the end. Let's continue enjoying our language learning journey.